If your TikTok videos aren't generating sales the way you had hoped, this video will help you out. In today's video, we are going to take a look at 10 TikTok ads that are top performing for conversions. This will give you ideas on how you can create similar videos and hopefully have the same success they've had. Before we get into the video, if you like videos about winning products, dropshipping, Shopify themes, apps, and tutorials, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on. Now, let's get into the video. This first ad is for this dropshipping product here. It's a non-slip mat that you place on your vehicle dashboard. It has a rotating phone holder that rotates a full 360 degrees so that you can adjust your phone for perfect Google Maps visibility. Let's take a look at the video. Our next product is this piece of jewelry. It doesn't require any piercing. It's an ear cuff that you place on your ear. Let's take a look at the video. You can see on the AliExpress listing that this is the exact same video shown in the ad. If you want to create a similar video, putting direct light on your jewelry will give it the same effect. Up next, we have a video for this phone case. These are appealing because they are magnetic, so you can put your phone in and remove it from the case really easily. The big appeal with these are the fact that they have a privacy cover. So when you're scrolling on your phone or writing emails or messages, you don't have to worry about anyone looking over your shoulder. Our next product is this really large, tall cat plushie. I have consistently seen this video come up under the top performing videos for conversions for months, so they are obviously onto something. Let's take a look at their video. I have to mute these clips because they contain copyrighted music, but essentially she was saying that she was given this as a gift and they know her so well. Our next product is this necklace. It has a sunflower that opens up to reveal this circle in the center that says, "You are my sunshine." Let's take a look at the ad. Our next video is for a very popular product. I've seen it all over TikTok, and it's also one of AliExpress's top sellers. It is this sunset lamp. Let's take a look. Simple 12-second video, but because this product has wow factor, it's going to stop people from swiping and generate sales. Speaking of wow factor products, our next product is another lighting product. It is this levitating moon lamp. I didn't realize my order was set up this way, but we have another lighting product. Lighting products are something I see a lot on TikTok. They tend to sell very, very well because they look super cool. And again, these types of products stop people in their tracks. Let's take a look at the video. Our next product is a mini projector. You can hook your phone up to this and then watch your favorite movies or TV shows on your wall, your ceiling, or etc. Let's take a look. Our final product is this pop-up card holder. It's a small compact wallet that neatly keeps all of your cards in place, and you can press a button and have them pop up for easy access. In this video, we can hear a male voice saying that he's been wanting this wallet for a while and then it went on sale. He demonstrates the product and says how many cards it holds, and also mentions its RFID blocking technology. If this video helped you, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up or let me know in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.